Good evening, students. Now, in this class, we are going to see Chapter 5 Application Problems. We have already completed three types of conics, namely parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Now, we will see few applications of those concepts. Question number 50. A bridge has a parabolic arch that is 10-meter high in the center and 30-meter wide at the bottom. Find the height of the arch 6 meter from the center on either sides. So while reading the question, it may look like you don't understand. But just see this diagram. I'll try to explain through the diagram. So you consider this as arch of a bridge. A bridge has a parabolic arch whose height is 10 centimeter at the center. So this height is 10 centimeter. So the height at the center is 10 meter. What is this? This is nothing but arch of a parabolic arch of a bridge. The height at the center is given as 10 meter and 30 meter wide at the bottom. So this is nothing but bottom. 30 meter wide means we have splitted that as 15 meter and 15 meter. So total is 30 meter width out, which is splitted as 15 and 15. The other thing we need to find is find the height of the arch 6 meter from the center on either sides. So this is considered to be the center. So from the center we should move 6 meter. From there we have to find the height of the arch. Again I repeat, this is the parabolic arch of a bridge. The center height is 10 meter. From the center we should move 6 meter from either right side or left side. We have done it in the right side. So from center we have moved 6 meter to the right side. From there we have to calculate the height of the arch. So from this diagram we need to find the value of BC, because BC is nothing but height of the arch from 6 meter away from the center. Now by seeing this diagram, can you tell what is the length of AC? Since this height is 10 meter, definitely AC will also be 10 meter, right? Since V to this point, that is the height at the center is 10 meter, the same measurement will be there for AC. So our aim is to find AB. What is AB? We don't know. That is drawn in the dotted lines. So we will try to find out AB. For example, if AB is 3 means total length is 10. So from 10 we will subtract this and we will get the remaining height of the bridge. Hope you will understand. We need to find AB, which is drawn in the dotted lines. Suppose if we found out AB, we know total height is 10. So from that 10, if we subtract this dotted line, we will get BC. BC is nothing but height of the arch, 6 meter away from the center. Okay. Now in the diagram I have marked 2 points, B as well as F. B means these the letters that I have used are random. You can even use a different one. Even you can put C, D, E, F, anything you want. So now what I am doing is I am just trying to write the value of B here. That is, we have taken this as vertex, which is 0, 0. So what is this point B? What is X value? 6. Why it is 6? Because we have moved 6 meter, right? So this distance will be 6. X value is 6, comma. What is Y value? Since origin is there, I should keep this point in Y axis and calculate this height, right? So to find Y value, actually I should take this point to Y axis and calculate how much distance is this. That is nothing but AB. So since it lies on Y axis, I have written as Y1. Why I am putting minus symbol? Because it is coming downwards of Y axis. Is it right? Since it is downwards of Y axis, we are putting minus Y1. Again I repeat, why I am putting minus y1, I don't know AB is taken as y1. Since it is in the downward direction of y-axis, I am writing minus y1. X value clearly I know 6, because from x-axis to this, what is the distance? 6 meter. So 6 comma this value we don't know, so that is taken as y1. Since it is downwards, minus y1. Similarly, we will try to mark the point F. What is F? If you see the distance from center to this, x value is 15. So x value I have written 15. Y value from origin, how much is this distance? 10 meter. Since it is downwards, minus 10. So 15 comma minus 10 is nothing but coordinate of F. I think you will understand. It is important to understand the diagram, because problem is easy, diagram you should understand. Once again I repeat, this is a arc of a parabolic arch which is 10 meter height at the center. Our aim is to find the height by moving 6 meter away from the center. Calculate the height. We need BC. We have marked 2 points, 6 comma minus y1, 15 comma minus 10. Y minus, because y value downward direction means we should use negative symbol, that's all. Okay, now since this is the parabola, it's looking like a parabola open downwards. Its equation is given by x square is equal to minus 4ay. X square is equal to minus 4ay is nothing but equation of parabola which is open downwards. Now see the point F clearly it lies on the parabola, because this is the parabola. The point F 15 comma minus 10 lies on the parabola. So substitute this point in this equation. You know very well, F15 in place of x becomes 225, minus 4a in place of y I should put minus 10. So simplifying, minus minus becomes plus. 4a is equal to, bring the 10 to division. So 4a value we got. Substitute this 4a value in first equation. X square is equal to minus, in place of 4a I am writing 225 by 10, in place of y. So this is taken as second equation. This is the first equation. Now we got equation number 2. How we got this? Substituting 4a value in first equation, we got the second equation. Now I am going to take this point now. This point also lies on the parabola. Which point? Point B. Point B, 6 comma minus 1 minus y1 lies on the parabola. So substituting this point in the second equation. Second equation gives, in place of x substitute 6, so 36. 225 by 10 minus, in place of y put minus y1, so minus y1. Minus minus will become plus. From this we can easily find out what? Y1. How will you find out? Just cross multiply this 10 and bring this 225 to division. So can you tell what is y1? 360, right? 10 into 36 by 225. So that is what is written here. Y1 is equal to 360 by 225. You know how to cancel. Cancelling in 5 table. Again cancelling in 3 table. 24 by 15 comes. When we divide, the answer is 1.6. So y1 value is 1.6. What is y1 actually in the diagram? The dotted lines. So from the diagram, BC is equal to AC minus AB. See the diagram and understand. BC is nothing but AC total length minus dotted lines. AC is nothing but total length, that is 10. AB is nothing but the dotted lines. So actually we need to find what? BC. So BC is equal to total length is 10 minus AB value, just now we got y1 which is 1.6, so 8.4. So height of the arch from the center is, not from the center, height of the arch 6 meter away from the center, right? Height of the arch 6 meter, height of the arch 6 meter away from the center. Again I repeat, height of the arch 6 meter away from the center is 8.4 meter. I hope you will understand the diagram perfectly, because remaining things you can easily go through, because just simplify only. Just try to understand the diagram by reading the question. We will see the next sum in next video.